to go in a toy shop, and you guys want to know why? Because NIKKO has sent me this awesome Barbie Corvette. So we're gonna pick up some Barbie dolls and maybe some outfits. So let's do it. I'm so excited, so let's go. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to see the Barbie Corvette in action. So let's go find some Barbie things. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna check out if there's LOLs, so let's go.
So there's the LOLs, but
it's only trampers like usual.
They need to get some more LOLs.
Yeah, I know. Look, it's a new squishy. Ooh. Looks like a peanut butter cup, but like bigger.
It's like a tart.
Yeah,
exactly. All right, let's go check out the Barbies.
Yeah, and I can. Ooh, let's pick out some Barbies, shall we? Ooh, these are all so cool. I don't know which one to pick. Watch this. Look at the crab. It's like hello, goodbye, hello, goodbye, and then the clam. I bet you would snap your finger, it would hurt. I'm not gonna try because it's probably gonna hurt. So yeah. So there's all kinds of Barbies. There's really what is it? What kind of okay. Oh, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do anything. This hairstyle is kind of weird. I can't explain it, y'all. Okay, so we were trying to find the race car driver, but we can't find it, so we're looking for some really cool ones. So tell me in the comments down below what kind of cool Barbies that you like. And yeah, and maybe I'll get it in my next toy shop. Okay, so you guys like this? You press her belly button and then she... So, she's the only judge. So, we are going to hold on to her just in case because she's nowhere else, so just in case, so no one will take her. Yeah. Here's a Ken doll. He's in like the wedding. I think there's like a Ken doll that is in actually regular clothes. I'm gonna try to find him because I really need him. Here's the one I've picked. I don't know if I'm gonna get all three, so tell me in the comments down below which one you like the best. I think I maybe like I love her blue hair, I love her curly hair, I love her shirt and her pants and her skirt and her hair. Okay, so they're all really pretty and there can only be 2 people in the seat, so I can only get 2 and there's 3, so. Tell me in the comments which one I should get. 2, not 2. Okay, tell me in the comments down below which one you think I got. And are you ready to see? I got these. I got the, she doesn't have a name, girl power one and the blue haired one. I'll call them that for right now and I'll name them. So there actually is like boy Barbie dolls on here. There's one with makeup on. But, okay. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we unboxed it and it's pretty cool. So I'm so excited to put the Barbies in.
Here's your Barbies.
Here they are. Oh! What just happened? Okay. So let's open the first one, the blue haired one. I'm gonna name her. Tell me in the comments down below what I should name her, if I should change the name or keep it. So her name is gonna be Carrie. Oh, here is Carrie out of the box. And yeah. So yeah. Here's the next one. And I think I'll name her Stephanie. So yeah. So I might change the names, but I don't know yet. So she's gonna be the driver. So just put her right there. Let's open Stephanie up. Here's Stephanie, so let's put her in the car. Okay, now let's drive. Let's see them drive.
Gotta see your face. Ooh, are they buckled in?
Let's see. Yep, they're buckled in now. Okay, now she has to put her hands on the wheels. Okay, so they're gonna drive, and yeah, it looks like they're driving right now.
Oh, they had a crash.
They're okay.
Giant baby alert.
They're running away. I love this remote control convertible car.